afternoon, everybody. It is Saturday, September 21st, and I didn't have anything to tell you guys about today, but I just thought of something. I'm only going to be filming the times where I want to talk to you guys, and whenever I do have something going on. Like yesterday was pretty interesting. Like I did have time to edit the last week's vlog, but yeah. If you're new here, my name is Christina Goode, and I am 24 years old. My birthday is coming up in November 19th. I'll be 25. And I'm currently studying to be a medical assistant. So that's my little introduction. Well, first off, I wanted to let you guys know something. My car is is over at MX Automotive in Socorro, New Mexico, and it needs a new instrument cluster. And I'm also getting the power antenna removed because it does not work anymore. That, and I never listen to the radio. So I'll be getting that taken care of. And yesterday, which was Friday, September 20th, I put it on the schedule for it to be worked on Tuesday. So it'll be worked on, and I will hopefully have it back by Wednesday. And when I do get it back, I may do a car tour. But Tuesday, I have some interesting things going on. I don't think I'm going to be filming anymore until Tuesday comes. I have to go by the advisor's office on Tuesday and apply for the background check, because I gotta get that done. It's a requirement for the medical school. Like, I already got my immunization records in, and I also turned in my TB test results. Last thing I need last thing I need to give to him is my CPR certification and my background check to him, which I will be getting that scheduled. So that's on top of all that. I'm also going to be going over to the library to upload last week's vlog, and I have class at 4 p.m. So all that's going to be fun. And so I don't think I'll be filming anymore until Tuesday, so unless something comes up, I'll see you guys on Tuesday. Good afternoon, everybody. It is Tuesday, September 24th, and first of all, I forgot my handy cam, so I'm recording off of my phone right now. And I got a lot to do today, so I will save the stuff that I was going to talk about for Thursday, the 26th. So one of the things that I have to do today is go by the advisor's office and get some stuff sorted out over there. And the other, besides class, is to upload last week's vlog onto YouTube. And that's gonna be about it. This is why I had to get to campus pretty early. It is now 2:07. So, if nothing else pops up tomorrow, I will see you guys on Thursday. Good afternoon, everybody. I just had a terrible, unfortunate turn of events. My advisor just called me and told me that class was canceled today because there was a family emergency. But yeah, I thought I would give you guys a tour of my car while I'm still here at home. I was just getting ready to leave the house, but my car is a 1994 Buick Roadmaster Collector's Edition. It's in really good shape. I just had the fuel pump replaced and the instrument cluster replaced. And I also had the power antenna removed because it no longer worked, and I no longer use the and I no longer use the radio anyway. Original paint is in pretty decent condition. Tires are pretty good. Actually, they may need replaced pretty soon. I'll look down the side of the car, and I'm sorry if I showed my license plate right there, but the back of the car would look a bit like this. There's the bumper. It does have a hitch assembly, but I haven't used this car to tow anything. But I have heard that it will tow a Little Guy Max, which is about 3,100 pounds dry weight. Let's take a look inside. So I just hit this button right here. There is a third row that I can pull and pull up and it can be used. But right now it's down, and I just have this huge trunk. This can pull down in two different ways. One way is it can pull down like a tailgate. The other is it can open like that. These rear flaps can open. They can only be opened manually. Here is my bench seat here. It is a little bit messy. That's my fault. Here's a look at the front. Like I said, the instrument cluster was just replaced pretty recently. Now, the cigarette lighter can be it can be a little bit of a pain because it never turns off. So I literally have to unplug my cigarette lighter adapter. One thing that I like about this this front row is that when you fold the cup holders, up like so, and you raise it up, this can actually function as a middle seat. It's not a very big middle seat, but it still serves a pretty nice purpose. But 8 people total, absolutely. There's the old instrument cluster. I still haven't put it in the trunk. Pardon me while I get the keys. Thing is, you never want to keep your foot on the brake pedal whenever you start this thing up, because it could mess with the brakes. But the past instrument cluster had a pass key. Thankfully that's no longer there. The mileage on it is wrong. It's about over 223,000 miles, as far as it read on the previous instrument cluster. Here's a better look at the air conditioning controls. I do like to have it set to that level, but if I have to, I can set it a level higher if I have to. It also has vent. There's your defrost, rear defrost, and defog. It's on middle right now. You could also do blend and the floor. I'll go ahead and turn that off. Cruise controls are located right here. This is resume, set, and coast right here. Windshield wiper controls are also right here. And it is an automatic transmission. Headlight controls are right here. By turning this, it controls the dimmer for the gauges up front. I do like the cup holders here, although they are quite a bit shallow, and the change dispenser is also pretty nice. There is an additional storage slot right underneath there. These nice little side pockets on right over here. That's about it for the car. So this very sorry I couldn't film much on Tuesday because I didn't have my camera with me, and I ended up recording on my phone, but I had to get a whole lot done on Tuesday that I just flat forgot my camera. Let's go. Like I said, that's about it for the car. Yeah, unfortunately, class got canceled. So if there's anything else, I will see you guys later. So this week wasn't all that productive, but at least I did get something productive done, especially on Tuesday, because I had to get my background check completed, and that's being processed. I forgot to record this earlier. The question of the week is, what's your favorite type of candy? So make sure to comment down below your answer for the question of the week. Next week will definitely be more interesting, so sorry that this one didn't turn out as interesting. Let's roll that outro. So thank you guys very much for watching this. If you would like to explore a bit of New Mexico with me, feel free to contact me at goodyentertainment12@gmail.com. Subscribe to this channel. That really helps out a lot. And if you would like to see more content, be sure to check out the links in the description down below and find out which one is right for you. You can also follow us on our Facebook pages. Links are also down in the description down below. Don't forget to comment your answer for the question of the week. I will see you guys later. Bye.